The October Halloween special of candy corn from the book How to Draw Cool Stuff, the 5-minute workbook. With that, let's begin. We want to start off with a nice, big, lean triangle, so we don't want it too thick. So right about there. And let's see if we can't. There we go. It's still a little thick, so let's go ahead and try that again. There we go. And then near the top, we're just going to go ahead and circle it there, and then right about there, we'll pull it close like that. So with that, we got our basic outline here, and we'll just right about there, and I think right about there, and we actually got a nice little outline of candy corn. It's actually a lot better than I thought it would be. So go ahead and erase all this extra that we don't need. And we'll grab us a lighter color. Go back to my pencil and just kind of go over the whole thing lightly at first. Candy corn being two-tone, we want to cover the whole thing give the top and bottom a lighter texture. Then we're going to layer an even darker texture in the middle. I think that's looking good. Maybe a little bit going across. There we go, got kind of a uniform color going on there. And get us a little bit darker to go in the middle. So right about here we're going to want to highlight. So we're just going to go ahead and make that now, and then scratch the rest of it in. Just quickly scratch this in, give it a little texture. Go across, just kind of cross hatching, first going down, then across. I think that might have been a little bit darker than I wanted, but that's alright. And there we go. We have our candy corn. If you followed along, I hope you learned something. If not, well, I hope you had a wonderful day anyway. With that, thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.